paper plane cuts through the air. It's fragile, but it doesn't care. A storm brews loud, the sky turns gray. Why do we chase what fades away? Paper planes and thunderstorms, flying high where chaos forms. We laugh, we crash, we try again, caught between the clouds and rain. Raindrops tap on my window pane, whisper soft but not in vain. The world's a mess, but here we stand, a broken kite in a reckless hand. Who are we to fear the fall, when every leap could have it all? Paper planes and thunderstorms, flying high where chaos forms. We laugh, we crash, we try again, caught between the clouds and rain. Make me light, throw me into the endless night. I'll tumble, I'll soar, I'll fight the wind. Fragile hearts still dive right in.